Good morning, guys. Hi, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about it. So today we are going to be looking at a pre-launch called ReddLab. Now, we're just going to go through the sales page and then we're going to get talking. So this is the sales, this is the sales page. Now, this ReddLab system was created by Sasha Ilic. There he is. And he is doing this system, well, it's his system. Okay, let me go into it some more. It's a ReddLab method of his, and he has a case study along with it to show what he's been going through for the last 3 years. He has been doing this method for exactly 3 years, and up to this day, he claims no one else is doing it. So I'm really curious, so join me. He's been in internet marketing for over 8 years, and he has focused on traffic generation in the last 3 years. And his summation is that 99% of people focus on solo ads and paid social media traffic, while there is so much more lucrative free traffic. And of course, nobody's using it, which is why he created his system. Now, he claims that we will love this system. Why? The results are included in his case study. It's extremely newbie friendly, and it's a unique twist to a forgotten method. I'm really curious about this one. Every single tool is included in his system, and it's high quality training. Let's go down some more, and here's what I'd like to show you. Oops, here it is. He says ReddLab gives you higher commissions, no saturation, fresh new buyers looking to buy, no list building. Now this one I'm really curious about. And he includes bonuses that will make your life easier. And the best part is 100% free traffic. Now, when you're a newbie and you're starting out on a budget, free is a very operative word. But associated with free, we need to have the value, because it makes no sense if we're getting stuff for free and we can't use it effectively. So he says that he is not using paid traffic, not Facebook, not Google, not YouTube. Yes, I know we're doing this on a YouTube channel. No Instagram, and we know how much Instagram can rack up some sales. And no solo ads. Solo ads also help too, so let's see what more he has to say. Now these are the advantages. He says you can make anywhere from $147 to $402 a day. You get to travel the world doing this. Naturally, you have an internet connection. You can have your laptop lifestyle. You get to help people that were in the same situation as you. Now this is really wonderful. The fact that his system is going to help you to help others. It's all about giving people, giving and receiving. 24 hours away from having passive income. I like the sound of that. So he's telling us effectively that in one day we should be able to implement the system and see the results. And of course, in his case study, he says real results are included. Now he has here today and today. It would have been nice if he had given us some dates to go with this data. Just an observation. Anyway, moving right along. What's in the package? It's a main guide, everything that you need to know that will make you, that you will read like a Bible, okay? Very deep. It comes with 9 video modules, which will help you set up everything in less than an hour. Real life case study. It will show you how he went from 0 to 147 in 24 hours. Now, $147 in 24 hours, it's achievable. $50 is achievable. 147, 3 times 50, okay, 24 hours. Let's just keep looking. The tools. All the free tools that you need are included inside the last members area. And there is a checklist. Don't know where to start. We've got you covered with step-by-step instructions. Now, step-by-step instructions are very helpful because a lot of times systems come out and you don't know where to start, you get so pumped up and you don't know if it's 1, 2, 3 or 3, 4, 5, which comes first, the chicken or the egg. So that should prove handy. And another part of his confidence right here, the 30-day money-back guarantee. He says that he's so confident that he's giving you a 30-day free ride. In addition to that, he's got bonuses. The first bonus is Facebook Mastermind access. You will get access to the Mastermind page where everything is discussed, from domain flipping to generating free traffic on demand. Everybody who joins this group starts getting results. We don't usually offer this group, but today, as a bonus, we decided to give you free access. Now, mastermind groups I like because it's a meeting of minds where people can exchange information, ask questions, and it's another way of having some kind of online support. So that's definitely a good thing. And his number 2 bonus, 500 tools and accounts. Now, this is blowing my mind. 500 tools, free tools. You can't use them all, that's for sure. But the key is to use that which will be effective for you and relevant to your business. So he says it will only take an hour of your time to work on your business. Okay, an hour is doable. So, okay, it's not too ridiculous. 3 steps: join the system, set the campaign up, collect the payments. I can do that. Sounds like a plan. Some stats for us. Reddit. He will be using Reddit. That's the basis for his system, hence the name ReddLab. Reddit has more active users than Twitter, and we know Twitter tweets more than 330 million active users every month. Oh my God, that's a lot of people. More engaging than porn. Okay, that's TMI. Okay, I'm not sure that our audience, goes to that side, but okay, stats. And users spend 15 minutes on average on the site. Now, that's interesting. So yes, that could be a market for sure to generate some interest. Of course, you're wondering how much? Total value $297, but today $9.95. Go ahead, hit that button, get instant access to ReddLab now. And of course, we have questions, always have questions. So there's a frequently asked questions section on the sales page. I will leave the link below. You can go through it yourself and see if the questions you have on your mind are indeed being answered. And of course, guys, nothing would be complete without my bonuses. I have included 2 bonuses, which I think will definitely come in handy for you. The bonuses that I'm referring to are, let me move my screen up a little bit. Here we go, guys. Your headlines can cost you money. It's a case study on how your headlines can cost you money. We have to be aware of how we attract people's attention, and it can be the deciding factor between making that dollar or not making it. Then there's the report on Facebook Secrets Revealed, some good tips for those of us who actively use Facebook. And of course, a copy of the 0-Hour Workday by Brendan Mays. Very interesting case study, and he's got some great tips too. So I think you should find some value from that. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and leave the link in the box below, and some information in the description. And the system launches December 3rd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Good luck, guys, and here's to making more than 147 a day and living the laptop lifestyle that you deserve or would like to have. Have a wonderful day. Bye.